In this video, we'll explore the topic of mechanics say your turbocharged vehicle won't survive 100,000 miles unless you stop doing this. Imagine this, without proper cooling, it's hit and heat damage slowly killing your turbo. Do you know that your cold starts and sudden shutdowns silently wrecking your engine? Do you know that ignoring warning lights, how long can your engine survive without action? Stick around because by following these tips, you can enjoy the exhilarating performance of your turbocharged vehicle while ensuring it remains reliable and durable throughout its lifespan. Let's get started. 7 common mistakes to avoid with turbocharged engines. Number 7. Neglecting timely oil changes. One of the most damaging mistakes you can make with a turbocharged engine is skipping or delaying scheduled oil changes. Unlike traditional naturally aspirated engines, turbo powertrains operate under significantly higher temperatures and pressures. This intense environment causes engine oil to degrade much faster, losing its ability to lubricate and protect vital parts. When oil is not changed on time, sludge and deposits start to build up inside the engine. This sludge clogs the tiny oil passages that carry lubricant to the turbo bearings and other internal components. Without proper lubrication, friction increases, causing rapid wear and tear. Over time, this leads to a shorter engine lifespan and a high risk of catastrophic failures, such as turbo bearing seizure or even complete engine breakdown. In practical terms, always follow your vehicle manufacturer's oil change intervals, but consider shortening them if you drive aggressively or under harsh conditions. Using high-quality synthetic oil, more on this shortly, will help maintain optimum protection, but only regular changes can prevent the dangerous buildup of sludge. Number 6. Using the wrong type of oil. Turbocharged engines place enormous demands on engine oil. The oil must withstand extreme thermal conditions, maintain viscosity at high temperatures, and provide excellent protection against wear and deposits. Unfortunately, many drivers try to save money by using conventional or low-grade oils that are not designed for turbocharged engines. Full synthetic oils formulated specifically for turbocharged engines contain additives that improve thermal stability, reduce deposits, and enhance wear protection. They help ensure the turbo spins smoothly and seals remain intact, which keeps both pressure steady and prevents oil leaks. Always check a vehicle's manual for the recommended oil grade and specification, and never substitute it with cheaper alternatives. Number 5. Using low-quality fuel. The fuel you use is just as important as the oil when it comes to protecting your turbocharged engine. Budget-conscious drivers might be tempted to fill up with cheaper, lower-quality fuel to save money, but this can lead to significant problems. Low-grade fuels often contain impurities and may lack the correct octane for gasoline engines or cetane for diesel engines, rating required by the engine. Using subpar fuel causes incomplete combustion, which leads to engine knocking, rough running, and excessive carbon deposits on internal components such as valves, pistons, and turbocharger blades. These carbon buildups not only reduce power output and fuel efficiency, but also place additional stress on the turbocharger and the entire fuel system. Over time, the turbo's delicate veins may become clogged or damaged, reducing boost performance and causing uneven airflow. Always choose fuels that meet or exceed your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations to maximize combustion quality and protect the engine. Number 4. Ignoring dashboard warning lights and engine behavior. Your vehicle's dashboard warning lights and engine feedback are critical indicators of the turbocharged engine's health. Common signs such as an illuminated check engine light, unusual turbo noises, whining, hissing, or grinding, or a sudden drop in power should never be ignored or brushed off. These symptoms often point to early-stage problems like boost leaks, failing sensors, or oil starvation to the turbo, boost leaks allow compressed air to escape, reducing turbo efficiency and engine power. Faulty sensors can cause incorrect fuel air mixtures, leading to poor performance and increased emissions. Oil starvation means the turbo is not receiving enough lubrication, a scenario that quickly causes bearing damage. Responding promptly to these warning signs can prevent a minor fault from turning into a major mechanical failure. Regular diagnostics using an OBD2 scanner or professional mechanic inspections help catch these issues early, avoiding costly repairs and potential breakdowns. Number 3. Skipping scheduled maintenance beyond oil changes. Many turbocharged vehicle owners focus solely on oil changes and overlook other scheduled maintenance tasks that are vital for engine health. Air and fuel filters are prime examples of components that need regular attention. A clogged air filter restricts airflow to the turbocharger, since turbos rely on a constant supply of clean, oxygen-rich air to compress and feed the engine. Any reduction in airflow diminishes performance and leads to poor combustion efficiency. The result is lower power, increased fuel consumption, and a high chance of carbon buildup. Similarly, a dirty fuel filter fails to trap contaminants before they reach the fuel injectors. This causes misfires, rough running, reduced efficiency, and increased internal wear on engine components. Replacing these filters at recommended intervals ensures your turbocharged engine receives clean air and fuel, keeping it running smoothly and reliably. Number 2. Underestimating the importance of exhaust and emissions systems. The exhaust and emissions systems may seem secondary, but they play a critical role in maintaining turbocharger efficiency and engine health. Components like the exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) valve, diesel particulate filter (DPF), and oxygen sensors regulate emissions and ensure optimal combustion conditions. Failing to clean, inspect, or replace these parts when necessary can lead to serious problems. For example, a clogged DPF restricts exhaust flow, causing back pressure that strains the turbocharger and reduces boost pressure. This not only impairs performance but can also cause premature turbo failure. EGR valves help reduce nitrogen oxide emissions by recirculating exhaust gases back into the intake. If they become dirty or stuck, combustion temperatures rise, accelerating wear and potentially damaging the turbo. Similarly, faulty oxygen sensors cause incorrect air-fuel ratios, which can lead to poor combustion and increased emissions. Regularly servicing these components as part of your maintenance routine helps preserve turbo efficiency, reduce emissions, and prolong engine life. Number 1. Neglecting the engine's cooling system. Turbocharged engines generate far more heat than their naturally aspirated counterparts. This makes the cooling system essential for preventing overheating and protecting engine components. Neglecting coolant levels, failing to inspect radiators and thermostats, or ignoring system flushes can lead to severe overheating. Overheated turbos risk heat damage, which causes cracked housings, warped cylinder heads, or burned seals. This results in oil leaks, reduced boost pressure, and costly repairs. Coolant should be checked frequently, especially before long drives or in hot climates. Radiator fins must be kept clean and unobstructed, and hoses inspected for cracks or leaks. Follow manufacturer recommendations for coolant flushes and replacements to maintain proper heat dissipation. Driving habits that impact turbocharged engine longevity. Before mentioning the maintenance part, the way you drive and treat your turbocharged vehicle greatly influences how long the engine lasts. Allow the engine to warm up before pushing it. During the first few minutes, avoid high RPMs and heavy boosts. This warm period allows the oil to circulate fully, the engine to stabilize, and the turbo to spool safely without undue stress. Don't shut off the engine immediately after a hard drive. After driving, let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds to allow gradual cooling. This simple habit prolongs turbo life and reduces the risk of costly damage. Avoid unnecessary long-term idling. While short idling is beneficial after hard driving, excessive idling is harmful. It causes incomplete combustion, fouled spark plugs, and diluted oil. In diesels, it can clog the DPF. Limit idling to what's necessary for cool down or warming up, and avoid prolonged stationary running. Respond immediately to dashboard warnings. Warning lights, strange noises, reduced power, or visible smoke should never be ignored. They frequently signal turbo issues such as oil starvation or boost leaks. Understand that driving style directly affects turbo life. Every harsh launch, abrupt stop, or ignored warning chips away at turbo health. Driving with mechanical sympathy, being smooth, attentive to feedback, and respecting warm-up or cool-down procedures extends turbo life significantly. The importance of regular maintenance practices. Turbocharged engines require precision and consistency in maintenance. They operate under high pressures and temperatures that accelerate wear and demand careful care to avoid premature damage. Prioritize regular oil changes with full synthetic oil. Changing oil every 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers or as specified by the manufacturer helps remove contaminants and prevents sludge buildup. Regular oil changes ensure your turbo spins freely, remains properly lubricated, and avoids wear that can lead to failure. Inspect the turbocharger frequently. Regular inspection helps detect these symptoms before they escalate. Addressing issues early prevents catastrophic turbo failure and costly replacements. Pay attention to how your vehicle sounds and performs during normal drives, and report any oddities promptly. Maintain a clean intake system for optimal airflow. The turbo depends on a steady flow of clean air to perform efficiently. Replace air filters regularly, usually every 15,000 to 30,000 kilometers, to maintain airflow quality. In dusty or harsh environments, increase the frequency of filter changes. Keep the fuel system clean and efficient. Fuel filters play a crucial role in preventing contaminants from reaching fuel injectors. Replace them according to your vehicle's schedule to avoid clogging, and stress on the fuel pump and injectors. Consider periodic use of fuel additives or cleaners to remove injector deposits. Clean injectors ensure consistent combustion, smooth power delivery, and less wear on the turbo and engine. Regularly monitor the cooling system. Turbocharged engines generate extra thermal load, making the cooling system vital. Regularly inspect hoses for wear or cracks. Ensure radiator fans work correctly and keep radiator fins free of debris. Perform coolant flushes every 2 years or as recommended, using the proper coolant mixture to prevent corrosion and scaling. A well-maintained cooling system protects the turbo and engine from overheating damage. Check and maintain exhaust and emissions systems. Neglected emission systems cause exhaust back pressure or faulty sensor readings that damage the turbo and reduce engine efficiency. Don't overlook the battery's role in engine health. Replace your battery every 3 to 5 years and keep terminals clean to maintain solid electrical connections. Stable electrical power supports turbo performance and reliable engine management. Document all maintenance activities. Keeping a detailed logbook or using a maintenance app helps track service intervals and repairs. This documentation ensures timely upkeep and adds value if you sell your vehicle by demonstrating responsible care. Commit to consistent maintenance for long-term savings. Regular checks and timely replacements might seem minor, but collectively prevent expensive turbo repairs or engine reboots. For turbocharged vehicles, proactive care is the key to reliability, efficiency, and longevity. Have you ever dealt with any of the problems mentioned above? Drop a comment below. Your story might help someone else avoid a costly mistake.